Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect Windows logins with convenient Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication using phone call. In this authentication method, Rublon calls you and asks you to press any key to confirm your identity. Both mobile and landline phones are supported. I log into my Windows account by entering my Windows Hello PIN. Now I answer the call from Rublon and press any key.
This is an automated call from Rublon. To complete your sign in, press any number on your keypad. If you did not initiate this operation, please hang up. Thank you for your
And I'm logged
confirmation.
into Windows.
Goodbye.
Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including FIDO security keys, SMS link, mobile push, email, as well as TOTP passcodes. Enables secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication.